Yeah, I want to build off something both Mike and Chris said just a minute ago first, which is that I think that, Mike said AI isn't free. I think, one of the biggest challenges is people draw conclusions from consumer use cases to the complexity of enterprise environments. And we work with some of the largest companies in the world, and I can say that the federal operating environments are even more complicated than some of the, we work with Walmart, for example, a very large organization. The federal operating environments are a lot more complicated, and fundamentally with these AI technologies, you're asking people to change the way that they work. And I think that there's a difference between consumer use cases where you use ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever the case may be. I was like, oh, cool, I can do new and interesting stuff with this, versus coming into my job on a daily basis and fundamentally changing the way I've worked for 20 or 30 years. Yeah. And that takes a lot of internal expertise, not just to develop models. It's not a technocentric or technocratic solution to say, oh, we have this technology now. There's actually a lot of workflow work that has to happen to operationalize these technologies. And I think it's really important to have people in the federal enterprise who understand not just the technology, but how people work, and then partner with organizations like us that we're like very focused on a narrow set of use cases, and we're quite good at helping people transition to a new way of working. And so I think that's this sort of last mile problem with AI, which is our experience has been that it's more than a mile.